is our generation's calling to meet the challenges of immigration.
I started to think about this quote that says, "Nothing that is necessary is ever comfortable." And we have to start building our tolerance with discomfort. And if you think about today's topic, immigration now, I couldn't think about something that is farther away from being an easy, comfy conversation. And this is because real immigration now, it's open to so many different points of view. And if we think about the rest of the topic, it says the need for legislation, and it says real world impact. And then I started to think, I want to call it surreal impact. As an immigration attorney, what I'm seeing is definitely surreal. It's so detached from reality that I myself am questioning what I learn, what I study, and how can this be happening in a United States court of law. I want to share some of the insights that I'm personally witnessing, because recently in a hearing, I heard an immigration judge say, literally, "I'm just a tiny immigration judge in this big administration, and my hands are tied." I have witnessed how they openly, completely detach from binding cases, and they apply their own case law or their own invention of what they think the law should be. I have been getting a lot of calls from clients that are detained, and the level of how their encounters with law enforcement are completely detached from the real powers of an agency. It's above anything I ever seen, not only as a U.S. citizen, but as a resident of the community that trusts law enforcement to protect us. I also keep thinking of all the cases that get to me and that I analyze, and I wonder, where is the due process? That's why I think today in this forum, it's so important, necessary, and actually morally mandatory to have an open conversation, but more than anything, an intentional conversation. Because we can be gathered as a community, as leaders, or just personal contributors, but we have to think it's more than a conversation. What are we going to do?